Good day, Growsmarters, and welcome to another English lesson with me, Mr. van der Ros. Our lesson today comes from the second edition of the 2022 Growsmart newspaper on page number 6. I'm going to test your knowledge on words. Do you know these words? I'm going to spell the word, define the word, and use it in a sentence. Our first word is abundance. A-B-U-N-D-A-N-C-E. Abundance. What does abundance mean? An amount that is more than enough. Let's use abundance in a sentence. There is an abundance of stars in the sky, and your job is to reach for the stars. Our second word that we're going to look at is earthquake. E-A-R-T-H-Q-U-A-K-E. Earthquake. What does that mean? A sudden, violent movement of the earth's surface, sometimes causing great damage. Let's use the word earthquake in a sentence. The earthquake made the building shake. Our third word is choreographer. C-H-O-R-E-O-G-R-A-P-H-E-R. Choreographer. What does that mean? The person who composes the sequence of steps and moves for a dance performance. Let's use the word choreographer in a sentence. I wonder who is Beyonce's choreographer. Our next word is millennial. M-I-L-L-E-N-N-I-A-L. Millennial. What is a millennial? A millennial is a person born in the 80s, 90s, or early 2000s. Let's use the word millennial in a sentence. Did you know that I am a millennial? Your job is to head on over to the Growsmart newspaper second edition of 2022 on page number 6 and see whether you can spell, define, and use the words in a sentence. Until next time, continue growing smart.